Hey guys, so this is me and I am fitting out my container with a vent. I've noticed when I've opened it, it is extremely hot and humid inside of it, so I went and got me a vent. So now I am trying to put it in and it looks fairly easy. I'm sitting here marking out my spots, and then once I get all my lines, of course, cut out or written down, then I'm going to cut it. And that was the hard part. I don't have too much video for that because I have on leggings and them sparks was burning my legs. Oh my God. So I went and got my angle grinder. Y'all know I'm an angle grinder girl. Put my blade on, and y'all, them sparks, I was like, which way do I cut? Which way do I cut? Oh, there it is. So look, you see me backing my leg up? Shoot, I had to go get me a jacket, some gloves, and then I finally got the hole cut out. Once I got the hole cut out, I was able to slide it in, and there's the hole. Yay! So I tried to drill with my drill, but I couldn't get anything through, so I grabbed my plasma cutter, and then I cleaned off the spots because I made some holes for my drill. And so once I grabbed my plasma cutter and I spotted some holes in there, that didn't work either. So I tried my best to put holes in the container, and my drill bit was not cutting it. So I just said, fine, I will just put the little vent in there. Had fun with my plasma cutter though. Bam. It made perfect little tiny holes. It cut through. Couldn't understand why it kept stopping and starting and stopping and starting and stopping and starting, but it is what it is. So once I went through and made the holes, I went ahead and just got the sealant, and then I just went ahead and sealed it because this plasma cutter worked wonders, but as y'all see, it kept stopping, and probably because I don't have enough power. Who knows? I'll figure it out. Look, this drill was not even trying to cut through anything. I was like, you know what? Do I need to get a new drill? Do I have the wrong drill bit? Like, what? So, needless to say, I pressed forward.